Hey everyone, welcome to another weekend vlog. I'm starting this one off a little early. This is Thursday afternoon, so I've taken the afternoon off and I've got annual leave booked tomorrow because this weekend vlog is going to be a little bit different to most of them as there's not going to be a lot of riding this weekend. So today's Thursday and I'm planning to go and give Dylan a clip because he's a fuzzy monkey right now. He's getting so hot and sweaty. So I need to get some of this hair off so that he can get a rug on. So because at the moment he's so hairy that he gets too hot in a rug on even though it's pouring rain, and so he's a bit miserable. So I'm going to take off some of his coat and let him breathe. And then tomorrow he's got the vet because I've been noticing lately he's a little bit stiff and a little bit uneven, so I think his hocks are playing up again, so he's going to get some steroids in his hocks again. So that's what he's got on tomorrow, and that's why I took the day off. And after that I think he normally gets a couple of days off, so yeah, it's going to be a very non-riding weekend for me. He'll be ridden tonight probably for the last time until after his hocks, which it won't be too long. They do like you to get them moving again pretty quickly, but yeah, just a slightly different routine this weekend. So I'm gonna go head up to the yard now. It is a horrid day of rain, so one of my friends has grabbed Dylan in for the field from me while I was working this morning, so he can start to dry off because you can't clip them wet, obviously. So he's in a stable, cooling his heels, eating some hay, chilling out, and I'm going to head up there now and just kind of assess how long it's going to take him for him to dry off. I've got my lunch with me and I'm kind of just going to make a day of it up there. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys soon. Bye. So, got the place to ourselves for a bit. Gonna eat some lunch. Dylan is mostly dry now, and had a bit of a groom. So we're going to start the clipping process very soon. So just going to go maybe stuff over to the wash bay, and I'm going to eat and then get cracking. Distraction method. Chunks. Attempt a hunter clip. Making progress now. Oh, the never-ending job. So much hair everywhere. Almost done. Most of the neck's done. Just got some bits to tidy up here. Most of the butt's done. These lines are done. I might need to straighten this up a little bit. I think I'll just leave a face on. I normally do half a face, but I actually think I like the full face at the minute. Some bits to tidy up. And again, bum nearly done. Yes, shouldn't be too much longer now. Oh. So, it's about 2.5 hours later. Lots of hair. And we have a super smart hunter clip. Not bad for my first go. This side's a bit more clunky, and then this side's a bit more curvy. I think I like this side better, but Dylan is sick of being clipped, so we'll just call it a day today. It's better than it was. So, what do you think, Dylan? What do you think, Dylan? He's like, I'm bored. I've been here all day. I am so itchy. My God. Hi. Don't wipe your disgusting treat all over me. For God's sake. You're just wrong. And just a quick tidy up. Doesn't look that bad once you put it in a pile. I don't normally clip them this early. It's normally a bit later, but take the opportunities when you can. Bye-bye, Dylan. Missed the worst of the day at least. Doom, 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 doom. That's me back. Dylan was a bit frisky, headed back into the field. I think you probably saw his little bucks, if I've caught them on camera. I was videoing for a little while because I thought he'd been in all day. He's gonna be really chuffed to get out. So I videoed him for a while and he was dawdling about and then he had a pee and I was like, maybe he's not going to do anything, and I was just about to stop filming and he started to buck and I was like, yay, we got something. So hopefully that's recorded. If so, you'll have just seen that. Yeah, so it's crazy. It totally feels like Friday, although it's only Thursday. I'm gonna go in the house now and oh god. Oh, dear me. It's been so busy today. I'm gonna go in the house, get changed because I'm so itchy. I've got little tiny horse hairs everywhere. And have a chilled evening. I don't actually think I've got anything planned tonight, which is wonderful. I'll be up at the yard again first thing in the morning for Dylan with the vet. And yeah, that's probably all the excitement for today. If I do anything else, I will let you know. Hey guys, it's Friday morning. I was about to say Saturday morning there. It's Friday morning. So I'm up at the yard for like 9. Dylan's got the vet in about the next sort of half an hour to an hour. I don't think they're here yet, so it could be a little while. So yeah, I'm just away to go and get the boyo in. He saw my car as I was driving past the field, so he should be waiting by the gate for me. Such a good boy. So yeah, just gonna go get Dylan in and ready for the vet. I'll catch up with you later. Are you waiting patiently? Are you waiting patiently? Yes. Hello. She won't be long. She's just doing Mira. Yes.
How old is he?
15. Pitiful pony. It's like, I feel drunk. I'm sleepy. I'm making fun of you. Oh, Dills. Oh, it's a hard life. So that's Dylan's had his hocks done. He was very sleepy pony. At some points his head was like nearly touching the floor. That's such a shame. So he is spending the most of the day in the stable with his bandages on just to make sure everything stays clean. And I've just gone into the field. I've done about 5 wheelbarrows of poo picking before the horrible weather turns everything to sludge tomorrow. So yeah, Dylan's going to chill in the stable for a bit. I'm starving, so I'm going to go home and have some lunch and clean out the piggies because my pal's dog's coming over this weekend. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to go, I need to go to the shop because I really have a hankering for refried beans and I don't have any beans. So I'm going to go get those. And yeah, I will catch up with you later on and let you know how Dylan's getting on. Back in the car again, passenger this time instead of driving. So heading back up to the yard now to see to Dylan. So he's been inside all day to you know, just let him rest after getting his injections this morning. So he's been in the stable all day. And now I'm going to go and take off his bandages and pop him back outside just so he can enjoy the rest of the evening. It's meant to be bucketing of rain the next 2 days, but that's fine because he is just to get the next 2 days off. So vet said 2 days off and then start hacking him next week and then just kind of build back up into the normal work over the course of the week. I'll probably do it a little bit more gently than that, but that's the general plan. Yep, so heading up to the yard and my friend's meeting us there because we are getting her dog for the weekend. And her name's Piper, so we're going to go pick her up as well. So we'll come back later and introduce you to Miss Piper. Piper! I'm getting more of a video of your butt than I am the dog. There we go. Hey Piper! Hey! Pipes! Hello! Go on then. So, little evening check-in. I have a little poocher here having a cuddle. Isn't she just gorgeous? Miss Piper. So it's like 8:30 and we're just chilling on the couch. Ewan's watching Star Wars cartoons and I'm probably going to do some editing while I've got this cuddly little munchkin here for company. So yeah, not that exciting. We've had some food and just been listening to our audiobook. We've finished another Maeve Kerrigan, so we only have one more of the current published lot. But yeah, me and Pipes are just gonna chill out here, and yeah, that's kind of our evening. What do you think, Piper? Morning, everyone. It's now Saturday morning. Miss Piper here has stolen my chair, so we're just gonna hover. She thinks she deserves the nicest spot on the couch. I'm not going to disagree with her. Hello, darling. So she's been out for a very soggy walk this morning because the weather is awful. So she kind of smells. Yes, you do. She kind of smells. So she's been out for a soggy walk, and I've cleaned out the guinea piggles, so they're all fresh and clean. And yeah, this morning's going to be kind of a chill one. Probably going to go make some pancakes. Then I'll have to go get dressed and go and see to, I imagine, a very soggy pony. I want to check that his rug has held up to the rain, because apparently it's been pouring down since like 2 a.m. So I want to make sure he's not soggier than he has to be, poor boy. But yeah, that's probably going to be the day. And then I imagine today, and probably tomorrow actually, is going to be a lot of, hello darling, editing and filming and stuff, just get on top of, got eye bogies. Get on top of the YouTube schedule. Make sure I've got all my content filmed and ready to go. Trying to get into a better routine with planning ahead, because it was very sporadic before and I wasn't really managing. Hi-yo, you are a big stink. So yes, off to go make some pancakes and then see to the pony, and that's probably what we're going to do, and I'll take you along when we go. Hey everyone, it's another update. So I'm away to go and see to Dylan. It is pouring rain, it's absolutely disgusting. Piper's going to come with me, but she's sulking because she doesn't actually want to be out in the rain. I've got my full waterproofs on. There's probably going to be some flooding. There's been so much rain, it's unreal. So yeah, I'm going to go get Dylan in, check his rug, his holding up against the weather, give him some food and whack him back out. Which is good, it's all we have to do today. It's one of his rest days after his hocks being injected yesterday, so he doesn't need anything else done with him today exercise wise, thank God, because that would just be hideous. So we're going to go do that and then get back inside and pretty much have a duvet day, apart from letting this one out for a walk. Oh, the joys of having a horse when it is raining and disgusting. Yeah, is it a hobble day? Is it a hobble day? Oh, look at you. Look at you. Here's a banana. Oh, dilly. Oh, you're dry. You're dry underneath your ruggy. That's something. Oh, Dills. It's not a nice day, is it? I'll get you some food. Bye bye, soggy pony. Oh, God. He doesn't look that fussed though, in fairness. Bye bye, Dills. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a check-in. Hello, all kisses, all kisses. It's been a while since I've done a check-in. But we've just had a very nice rainy day afternoon. Hello. Honestly, what are you like, dog? We've just been hanging out with Piper this afternoon. As you can see, she's a great big sugar. Yes, you are. And Piper, listening to audiobook. Me and Ewan are listening to the Maeve Kerrigan series at the minute. So yeah, we were just, me and Ewan have been listening to the Maeve Kerrigan series, so we're carrying on with that, which is awesome. And yeah, just had a nice chilled out afternoon. Not really that much to report. So I've been sitting doing some editing and getting some bits and bobs ready for uploading. Well, it's next week for me, but these things will probably go up before this vlog does. So you'll probably see the things I've been working on before this vlog goes up, but that's cool. Ewan's watching Star Wars cartoons while me and Piper have little girly cuddles. Yes, we do. Anyway, so it's now 8:30. Hi. It's now it's now 8:30, and I can't see much else happening tonight. I'm just going to carry on doing my bits and bobs, my editing and stuff, and I'll probably listen to a bit more of the book before we go to bed. But that's kind of going to be today. So I will check in again tomorrow, although it's going to be a very similar day, I think, because the weather is meant to be rubbish, isn't it, Piper? So yeah, I will check in again tomorrow morning and let you know what we get up to, but I foresee another very lazy day. I have a dog in my face. Yes. Catch you later. Ah! Trying the doggy. Oh, so wet outside, isn't it, Piper? Yes, it's rubbish. Yes, it's rubbish. Oh, wet. Good morning. It's now Sunday. So we've had a bit of a lie-in and just taken Piper out for a walk. It's peeing down rain again, like it's been all weekend, so that's not great fun. So we've taken her out, dried her off. We've had a message from the yard saying not to come up just now because the roads are all flooded, so they have done morning check on all the horses, and we've not to come up till later. And hopefully some of the flooding has subsided, but it's not meant to stop raining all day, so we'll see. I think anyone without a four-wheel drive is going to struggle to get to the yard today, so that's really annoying. But yep, so that means that won't be happening until later on today. So we're just going to go and have some breakfast, listen to some more of our audiobook we've got going on at the minute, still the Maeve Kerrigan ones. And yeah, we've got a couple of Zoom calls today, and I'm probably going to try and film at some point. So that's kind of what the day is setting up to look like at the moment, and I will catch up with you soon. Hi there, is another check-in from me. So it is now 20 to 3. We've literally not done much. Well, actually, that's not true. I've done quite a bit. Not done any updates. I've gone and tidied the flat, so it's looking a hell of a lot tidier than it's been this week. It's been a total shithole, let's be honest. So that's that cleaned up, which is good. We've had lunch, we've had our Zoom call this morning with our friends that live in Glasgow. They were introducing us to their new little twin boys, because obviously we've not been able to go visit with COVID, which is a bit meh. But anyway, we've now been introduced to them, which is good. I've just filmed a favourites video, which will be up a few weeks before this video comes up actually, so I will link it up there. And just talked about all my kind of favourites for the last little while. So for the rest of the day, we've got, got dog hair on my face. So for the rest of the day, we've got another Zoom call planned about 4:30, and this is with Ewan's family. So we're going to do a little quiz and have a little catch up, and I've got to go and see to Dylan, and that's kind of all we've got left for the day. We just had our second Zoom call. That was like our family quiz night thing that we've done. We do every month, so that's that done, and now me and Piper are going up to the yard to check on Dylan, see if he's survived the floods, and give him his food. So be another flying visit, as obviously he's getting another day off in work because of his injections. He'll probably be back to work tomorrow. We'll have a couple of days of light hacking and then back into the normal routine. So yeah, we're just gonna go get to see Dylan. Good lad. Come on, there you go. You don't look too worse for wears after all this rain. No, don't use that. Munchies. Great. Hey there, so that's the end of another weekend vlog. We've got Miss Piper here for another couple of days, and then she goes back to my friend. We sorted Dylan out tonight. I forgot to film an end clip there because I was chatting to my pal. But yeah, that's the weekend over. Back to work again tomorrow. So tonight we've just spent some time kind of watching a movie, editing some more video stuff, putting in a grocery shop for tomorrow. Just make yourself comfortable, why don't you? Isn't she just the most ridiculous dog? But yeah, that's the weekend. So hope you enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for some more adventures. Piper, you're kicking me. Subscribe to see some more videos. Catch you later. Bye.